everyone, welcome back to How to Doctor. In this video, let me show you 3 ways to fix iPhone email not working. Let's begin. The first one is to simply check your internet connection. Having a poor internet connection sometimes results on why your email is not working. Ensure you're connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular data. Test the connection by opening a browser or another app that requires internet access. Second is to verify email account settings. Go to Settings, scroll down to Apps and open it. Next, find the Mail app and tap it. Select Mail account and then choose your email account. Now open the account settings and see if it is correct and re-enter your email and password if needed. The third one is to simply restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power button and volume button on newer models. Then slide to power off. Wait for a few seconds and turn it back on. Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.